Hey guys, this is part me showing you how some of our coronavirus cleaners are dominating. Now, coronavirus itself is a restricted keyword, so on Google, but you can put in things like I'm in Adelaide, so I'm using the Adelaide example now. Decontamination cleaning. So here we go. We've got eco decontamination as well. That's a client up near the top. It's probably the same for decontamination. Adelaide, there we go, the only ad showing. Just trying to think what else, maybe disinfect or disinfect office Adelaide. This is just a bit random, I'm just going off on different tangents. There we go, there's an eco decontamination. Disinfect workplace, probably going to be similar. There you go, eco decontamination. Decontaminate. No ads there, but it's showing in the only ad there. Decontamination. Cleaners. Adelaide, I guess. Eco decontamination, decontamination cleaning. These jump around. There it is there. Sometimes if you're Googling the same thing, it'll basically just ignore the ads and push them down the bottom. But you can sort of see that business is there. There's probably dozens of other variations of that particular keyword that I could use. And yeah, it just shows that the businesses are up top. We've got one in Perth as well, so let's just change that to Perth. There we go, that's our client there. Probably for cleaners. Whoops, Google knows what I'm talking about. Disinfecting of offices. Just do something really random. Disinfecting of offices. Geez, I need to get my offsider to fix his spelling there. But yeah, I mean, all these sorts of variations. We look at the like terms, and there isn't much data to go on for what the most commonly searched phrases are, because there's never been this before. So we've had to get the thesaurus out and ask a few people what they'd type in, and yeah, getting a lot of work through that. So really simple, really transparent. As an added bonus, look, if someone clicks on that page, we can pixel them with the Facebook pixel. That follows them around on their Facebook if they go home on a different device and log into their Facebook at home. So, and there's all sorts of things we can do. But the main thing is just getting seen when people are looking. There's heaps of people looking for this sort of stuff to clean their workplaces, their office, government buildings, schools, universities, concert halls, everything. That they're going to have these big coronavirus cleans before they start letting people back in. And probably half of it is because everybody else is doing it. They don't want to be the one that isn't doing it. So good margins in this from what I hear from the guys we partner with, and yeah, we're getting great results. So hit us up, have a chat, and yeah, I'd love to have a quick phone conversation and tell you a little bit about how we can get the leads for the coronavirus cleaning coming your way.